Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode I will show you why I am selling the market. You can see the market go up a little bit, but I actually took a scalping a little quick from this level to where we are exactly at the moment, and I do expect the market to come back down to potentially 46k, and from this level I do expect the market to take profit 3 around 51,800 900, but I need to wait for the market to pull back down a little bit more, so I'm shorting the market to where I potentially will buy the market. I will also go through what we did speak about on yesterday's live stream, and I do expect for Ethereum, for example, to come back down to potentially 3,240, and the highest take profit that I do have is around 3,900. And I will show you a little bit more of the other coins that I did speak about yesterday's live stream, because we do have targets, we do have take profits. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you why I took this trade on Bitcoin, why I shorted it, and why I'm waiting for the market to come to 46,000k for them to potentially buy Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart, we're taking a Fibonacci from 44,678 to the highest point at 47,973. What we're waiting for now at the moment is to see that the market is coming back down to potentially retest 46,000k. If this is happening and we see the bullish rejections that we need, that could take us up back to the targets around 48,700, 50,400, and potentially 51,900. But this is only if we see the market coming back down to these levels and you see the market giving us the bullish rejections that we need. If we see the market having huge bearish candlesticks breaking through this Fibonacci will not be valid, and that could actually take us back down to lower targets because we're having at that point a bigger pullback. But what we're expecting, or what I'm waiting for the market to do, is come back down to 46,000k and then see potential bullish rejections, and the targets above can be hit during the day or during these next coming days. So I just sold the market on Bitcoin, and that is I just put market execution, and that is around 47,370. So I do expect the market to come back down to around 46k. So this is just a scalp that I'm doing. I have a pretty tight stop loss in case we see the huge momentum to the upside, but I do expect the market to come back down, and from these levels, as you know, as I was talking about on yesterday's live stream, that I do expect the market to come back down to around 46k and then reverse to the upside. Guys, don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybits up to $4,100 by using the link in the description down below the video, and by doing that you're always supporting Bitcoinsensus, so we are always able to sit here and share our thoughts with you. In yesterday's live stream I was also going through Ethereum, so what I did was that I took a Fibonacci from 3,097 to the highest point at 3,460, and I do expect the market also to come back down to potentially 3,241. We can also come back down to 3,190, and from these levels I do expect the market to give us bullish rejections, and if this is the case, the targets that I'm having will be 3,554. It will also be 3,746 and 3,913. But I do expect the market to pull back down and then give us the bullish rejections that we need to see the market actually is not breaking this previous resistance level, and that could be the push back up. We are also looking at SLP, and this is also what I did speak about on yesterday's live stream. What I did is that I took a fib from 0.0158 to the highest point at 0.0224, and that gives us the levels where I expect the market to come back down around 0.0183. From this level I do expect the market to push back up to the highest point is 0.0536, because that is the overall, if we're looking at the higher time frames. On the weekly chart, so it looks like a little bit messy, but we're taking it from the last lower high at 0.0798 to the lowest point at 0.0113. That gives us these Fibonacci levels where I do expect the market to push back up and potentially then see market reversing back down. I do not know if this is going to happen, but I do expect the market to pull back up to these levels, and that is why I am also see the market coming back down to these Fibonacci levels and then have the pushback up to these levels. If we're looking at DOT, what I did, I also took a Fibonacci from 16.47 to the highest point at 22.48. And that gives us the Fibonacci levels where I do now expect the market to reverse back down to at 18.78. And from that level, if we see, as I told you, the bearish rejections around these levels, because the market did break the downtrend, we are creating a higher high. So we're waiting for the market to create a higher low, and the targets will be 23.90, 26.99, and 29.76. But if you're looking at Luna, what I also did, I took a fib from 96.96 to 109.07, and that gives me the Fibonacci levels where I also do expect the market to come back down to retest around 102.24. We can also come back down to 101.06. And if this, guys, as the same thing, if we see the market giving us bullish rejections that we need to see the market actually respecting these Fibonacci levels, the first target that I'm having will be 109.71, 115.07, and 119.75. But we need to see the market coming back down, and if we see the market having huge bullish or bearish candlesticks, these targets will not be valid. So we definitely need to focus on what the candlestick is looking like. If we, as I told you, have huge bearish candlestick, we just might see the market having a bigger pullback. So this is just a quick one that we do expect the market to come back down just for a quick retest and then reaching the targets above. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this short video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, because I will go on a live stream later today and just update you on what's actually happening and see what the market is doing. Comment below if you did enjoy the video, like the video also so we can reach out to more people. I wish you have a great day, and we'll see each other later. For Sweden.